when we start writing a notice, one thing which we have to keep in mind is, first of all, drawing a box. There has to be a box. Okay, and you have to keep in mind the word limit. You have to strictly adhere to the word limit. Now coming to the format of a notice. So once you draw the box, after that comes the headline. And here you write the name of the school or office or any institute. Now second position you will write notice in capital N-O-T-I-C-E. Now the subsequently third one, here you will write headline or whatever the subject of the notice is. Then left hand side you can see you have to write the date. Then is the body of the notice, entire notice, whatever. And generally you must have observed that it starts with this is to inform all the students. Now once you finish this entire content, left hand side you have to put your signature. Then below that you have to write your name. Your name means whosoever is writing. For example, sometimes you must have heard that you are Jaya, house captain studying in this and this school. So your name Jaya, capital letters, and your designation. For example, if you are house captain, cultural captain, whatever. Okay, and above your name you have already signed. And then you have to enclose this box, like, okay, you have to enclose it. Now, first of all, what is important in notice is date, this date. Okay, this is very, very important. And what else is you have to keep in mind? I told you before also that no extra information to be put inside this box. Only what has been asked, you have to write that in this box. Now we will come to the one of the question, how to solve a question of notice writing. Now there is a question that write a notice informing the students your school is going to arrange a 2-day educational tour to Amritsar and Wagha border for the students of 7th class. Invent necessary details and put the notice in a box. You are Pallavi Bansal, the head girl of St. Stephen's Convent, Chandigarh. Now what are the informations which are provided in this notice question? The school name, your designation, your name. And what you have to do, that you are going someplace to a tour and you have to inform the children. Now how will you begin with? First of all you have to draw a box. Okay, now after drawing the box you have to write the institute's name. So St. Stephen's Convent, Chandigarh. Second thing was notice in capital N-O-T-I-C-E. Third thing was the caption or the subject of the notice, educational tour to Amritsar and Wagha border. Now next thing was date. Now sometimes we get confused. Children have always asked me that shall they leave a line here or not? But dear ones, if you leave a line, it's jolly good. But if you forget to leave a line, it's fine. Don't take stress for this small issue. So our school is organizing a 2-day tour to Amritsar and Wagha border for the students of 7th class from December 12, 2017 to 14, 2017. Now this is the information which she has, or the person who is writing has actually made up on his or her own, because it was not given. The students will go by a deluxe bus in the company of Mr. Rajat Sharma, the history teacher, and 2 more teachers. Okay, alright. Now interested students should deposit rupees 2000 to their class teachers along with their parents' consent letter latest by this and this date, December 10, 2017. For further details, contact the undersigned. Now the person who is writing, what was the name? Pallavi Bansal. So the name has to be in capital. Her signature here and her designation here. Now one thing in this notice which generally we do not find in our KVS pattern is that these value points actually generally we do not get. What we get this question and we have to write this. So I hope that today's lesson must have been useful for you. For any further query, please feel free to call me or to ping me at any time. Thank you all. Have a nice day ahead.